So today is the final day on this project on the Jeep. Last thing I'm going to be doing to it is replacing the air cleaner and the valve covers because the chrome on them after setting got rust on it. So I talked to my nephew, the owner, and he likes black. And at first I was thinking, well, why not the chrome? But then I got to thinking the black would look more authentic on this vehicle. So I think it actually will look better in black. I'm going to be replacing the valve covers with black ones, the oil breather cap with a black one, and the air cleaner with a black one. I tried to just get a lid for the air cleaner. Figured maybe I would just swap that out, chrome for black. But that's a 13-inch air cleaner, the chrome one is, and not all I could find was 14 inches anywhere, so it'll be a little bit diameter, but it will fit. So we'll get started here. So I've already replaced this stud here because it had to have a longer stud for the new air cleaner. And one thing I noticed as I've been working on this thing is you have a PCV valve in the back here, and the breather cap had a hose running to the bottom of the air cleaner. The problem with that is the PCV valve is sucking air out of the crankcase, letting it breathe. And with this hose into the air cleaner the way it was sucking air, or crankcase air, through this way too. And that's counterproductive because it was supposed to be, if you don't have a PCV valve, you would use a cap like this and let it suck in through the carburetor this way. But if you do have a PCV valve, you have to have a way to bring fresh air back into the crankcase. So this cap should have been a breather cap, as it's referred to. You should have had holes under here to let air come in as the PCV valve sucked the air out of the crankcase. This would bring in fresh air. If you don't know what PCV valve is, it's positive crankcase ventilation. It's a way to let the crankcase breathe, basically. So we take off that. That hose will not be used in the future. These are only 6 bolts that hold these these valve covers on, so it's not a really big project. Really, I think they're 7/16. Hardest part will probably be getting around some of these lines.
Area code is 231.
There you go.
920.
One valve cover removed.
1971.
Okay, matched them up. They're the same valve cover, just one's chrome, one's black. Oh, I gotta check that grommet. Okay, the grommet for the breather cap looks good shape. And as you can see under there, there's a baffle. Keep oil from coming out of that hole. I'll show you the baffle right there. There's the hole. Okay, our gasket. If you can see, there are tabs here. Some gaskets had a tab that you could kind of put it on there and it went in there and locked it in place so it would hold it for you. This one does not have that. So you really got to make sure your gasket is in place all the way around, doesn't slip out because of a leak. A lot of people will take glue or sealant and stick them together. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to set this in place. Now if I was replacing a gasket on a set of valve covers, not changing the valve covers, hey Buster, take a hammer and peen these down. Otherwise they'll mushroom out and cause a leak. this side's finished. Now I got to turn around and do the same to the other side. The hole here where this cap goes on, here's the new cap, black one, and I was telling you the holes in the bottom lets air come in as the PCV valve sucks air out. This also serves as your oil cap. And there we go. So I won't video doing the other side. Same thing as here. I got to tighten that thing up. Reconnect the vacuum line I took loose. That was running behind there. Come on. And inspect it while I'm at it. Make sure there's no holes in it. It's not brittle and falling apart. Okay, both valve covers are on. All the wiring and everything I had to disconnect is back in place. Everything's in place. Put the air cleaner on. PCV valve, got to put that on. Okay, positive crankcase ventilation goes in the back in that rubber hose. This is the valve here. It's got a check valve in it, lets air go one way and not the other. And there, the vacuum of the bottom of the carburetor. And there we go. Air cleaner's in place. And there we go. So next time, I don't think this black is going to rust the way the chrome did sitting in a building, but if it does, it can be painted easily, a lot more easily than the chrome. Go get some gas, take this thing for a test drive. Now it's all running and cleaned up. Here, take you along a ride with me. Hope I'm in frame here, maybe not, I don't know. Gonna get a lot of shake. A lot of air leak around the doors, but it's a very old vehicle. Looking in that rearview mirror, it vibrates really bad. But the mirror is vibrating too, so it even amplifies it a bit. Absolutely no hesitation there. So I'm back from the test drive. My GoPro died on me while I was on the test drive. First it was a battery I replaced. Changed the battery out, and then the SD card started giving me issues. So I don't know how much video I'll get on the test drive. But here she is. She's looking all clean and good. A couple of little minor things I got just on the outside. I seen something bent I gotta straighten out, but the engine's running good. Carburetor job came out good. Tune-up came out good. She runs good. Drives a little bumpy, but she's a cool little truck, I'll say that for it. While I was getting gas in my gas can, because my granddaughter truck had ran out of gas in the driveway, so I needed to get gas in it to move it. I got a lot of comments. A couple of people asked me about it. So thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.